HotBrandsWholesale.com is back again. It's 2021 and we have a load of new products to present to you. Today we are looking at men's swimsuits. So you are going to receive these awesome men's swimsuits, and let's see exactly what you're going to get. We have the Speedo medium, black and white. It's like a leaf pattern. Awesome. On the back you got your pocket with a zip, Speedo on it. That's one. Here's the hybrid collection here, a 36. Nice swimsuit, a little kicker there action. Once again, you got some pockets in the back. Sweet. This Speedo medium, again, cool pattern, and you got the pocket in the back. This one here is really cool. It's a rainforest. Actually, it's suggested retail price $69, but it's really nice. It's a light aqua color, really nice, loud, bright, vibrant color. Really nice quality ties. Looking good. Sweet pocket. It's velcroed. You're gonna receive that one. We have another Speedo in small. Here's a black Speedo in extra large. It's pretty much solid black. Got a little stripe there. This one here is a nice blue with the navy blue top. I believe this is an extra large. Copper and oak. Look how awesome that one is. This is a Kirkland medium. Really nice. Also pockets. Well, all these have pockets. So here's another extra large Speedo. Go get that. Got another Gary. Here's the insides. Swimsuits. This one here is a medium. And back to the Speedo. This is a 2X. So, getting ready for vacations and spring and summer. We have swimsuits. And if you like the video, check us out. Hot Brands Wholesale. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We would love for you to be part of the HotBrandsWholesale.com family.